My dear sons, already we know there is a different force between charges whenever they are placed in different medium. As you have F equal to epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square, where epsilon naught is the permittivity of the medium and this epsilon naught is for free space. Free space means it may be vacuum or air. Now today we will discuss about what is permittivity. Practically it is observed whenever there are different medium between the charges, then there is a different force between them. As you can see, this is constant, and this is also constant. Means the distance between the charges remains same. Then how the force can be changed? It means you can say that epsilon naught is only there by which the value of force can be changed. It means you can say that for a different medium, permittivity is different. So this permittivity can be defined as it is the property of a medium which determines the electric force between the two charges which are placed in that medium. Now, with the help of this formula, we have to find the SI unit and dimensional formula of permittivity. SI unit. With the help of this formula, you have epsilon naught equal to 1 upon 4 pi f q1 q2 upon r square. Unit of q1 q2, charges are there, coulomb is the SI unit. Therefore, c square f Newton force is there and r is the distance meter square. It means you can say that Coulomb square per Newton meter square is the SI unit of permittivity. Now, dimensional formula. With the help of this same formula, you can find its dimensional formula. Yes. For Q1, I into T, for current, A is there. Capital A. And capital T is the dimensional formula for time. Q1, Q2 is there, therefore you can get a square. For force, ml T minus 2 and R square is the distance, therefore L square. Now you can get the calculation and finally you have n minus 1 minus 3 T to power 4 and E square. You can calculate it A square, T square, T is to power minus 2 and finally you have M to power minus 1, L to power minus 3, T to power 4 and E to power 2. Now we have to know what is the value of permittivity. Value. Practically the value of epsilon or permittivity is equal to 8.85 into 10 to power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. Now we'll discuss dielectric constant. As you know, epsilon equal to epsilon naught K, where epsilon is the permittivity of the medium, epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space, and K is the dielectric constant. Then K equal to epsilon upon epsilon naught. Now you can define dielectric constant with the help of this formula. Dielectric constant is defined as the ratio of permittivity of medium to the permittivity of free space. As this K is the ratio of same physical quantities, therefore it is dimensionless and unitless. Thank you.